ET.
I don't know how to drive automatic.
No, I mean, like,
only do a manual.
I can only drive a manual car.
Can I move the steering wheel?
Yeah, go ahead. It's on the left side.
Steering wheel isn't too bad. Damn. Can't fucking hit the e-brake. Is it an auto?
No, you gotta shift. Transmission speeds up all the way now. Press the M button on the steering wheel. There.
Oh.
See how much different that is?
Oh, it went back into auto.
Oh yeah, you can do downshift again. Yeah, you're good.
Dude, and this seat is crazy. I feel like I'm so in this car. I'm like way down here.
Yeah, bucket seats change everything.
Where should we go?
Just head back to the office. If you haven't noticed, we're in my car.
I feel like a child in this car.
Give it some juice.
Like, look how far back I am.
It's comfy, right?
Holy, screaming for life.
I know, it's that
Saying,
holy.
change me, please.
It needs help badly.
This thing's sick. I love this car. I wish I could afford like a really nice example of one of these.
You will.
Someday.
One day. This piece of crap Ricer mod that I bought.
New Mexico.
It's my air ride. You do look a little bit small.
Dude, I feel like so tiny in this car. It's so weird. Your blinker's not staying on.
You have to push it down all the way. Get into some corners, man. Feel these seats.
Alright, we'll go around that little like area.
Okay.
Dude, it's so funny how like small I feel.
Isn't it nice though to have your body stay still?
Yeah, I just feel like I need to like be closer to the steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
It's still too far.
You need sliders for sure. See what I mean about my cats?
Yeah. Nice and stinky.
The cats are going bad.
Dude, this thing hugs. I didn't move at all.
Yeah.
I felt the tires like struggling a little bit, but I was in there just.
Well, it's you can really feel every aspect of the car because you're able to not move anywhere.
Yeah, dude, I love that. Down lap.
Imagine this thing on the Nürburgring. I can't wait to get this thing on the track.
Dude, you have to track it. I think I lost my keys.
I heard them fly back there.
This car just feels so well set. Amazing.
I'd be so stoked with the front and rear sway bars. It would help a little bit. It'd help a lot, but
Yeah, I felt a little bit of movement,
it's not bad.
but it is really solid.
Yeah, the suspension setup's at the most like the highest dampening you can do, the stiffest setup.
Yeah.
And then the tires are worn out, but
Yeah. It didn't feel too swirly.
it's nice because you can drive like in a crazy mood and have fun, and then you can put an automatic and just cruise.
Yeah, this thing is such a cruiser.
And this doesn't even have any tune or transmission tune.
That would be insane.
It'll change the whole driving aspect of it.
I like this car because you feel so confident. Like,
Yeah.
I kind of went pretty ham there.
Yeah, and I felt fine. Like, I know the car can handle it completely.
Yeah.
If it was stock, I'd be a little bit more worried, but
Yeah.
when it's like this, when you have this suspension, the brakes, and you have like the stiffness, there's a lot of confidence in it.
Yeah.
Now it's just driving with the GT4 front lift. Dude, I get so close. Every day I didn't realize that. Oh, dude, it glides across the ground. Yo, you look sick in the E92, bro. You look like it's not short at all from outside. It looks normal. Crunchy. Let's see the technique.
Dude, I love this car.
You like it?
Alright, I'm getting it.
Well, time to sell this for E92.
Dude, I'd love to get it. But it's also like, I know that this thing is like fully set up and it's stiff because of the cage, the track coilovers. I mean, you have camber plates on this thing, like, and tires are nice. I have no doubt that this thing will feel as stiff and rigid, and like I would be able to. Right now in my car, I don't think I could go that fast, but
I think when you have a track set up, no problem.
oh yeah. Well, I just feel like super confident. Those seats make a world of difference. So you'll probably notice that I have a different shirt on. That's because we filmed that clip yesterday. But basically, I just kind of wanted to go over a little bit of how this car feels, because a lot of people ask me to compare this to the 335 that I had. I had an E92 335 before the E46, and this car feels super solid. Spencer has track coilovers on here. He has a half cage in the back. He has Cobra seats. So everything about it is just super stiff. So comparing it to like a relatively stock E46 M3 or kind of relatively stock E92 335 is hard. But this thing just feels super planted. The power band is super linear. Even if you floor it mid-corner, it doesn't feel like it's gonna step out on you. You really have to like be jerky with it for it to step out on you at all. Basically, my first impressions of Spencer's car is that it's insane. I really like it. I think it'll be really exciting when I get my E46 M3 like to this point.
Comparing the suspension from your car to this car, how does it feel?
So the suspension in this definitely feels a lot stiffer. Obviously you have a full coilover setup, and then in my car I have just springs on it. And you also have the camber plates from ISC. So I don't know what you have them set to, but
Everything's dampened, everything's set to the highest setting. Stiffest, tightest, everything.
yeah, you can definitely tell. Like going around corners, this corner is really flat.
Yeah.
I do think that obviously I think something you want to do is sway bars pretty soon, which would help a lot with some of that body roll in the corners.
That's what I want to do next too to this thing.
Yeah, I think you need like Eibach or something,
Yeah.
which I have Eibach in mine, and it's super nice. Even with just springs, like a little bit stiffer springs and stock shocks, it's really nice. So yeah, I love this car. And the DCT is really fun. Spencer just has like the stock flash on it. It's not tuned or anything, but he's doing the GTS flash soon, right? Yeah, which will make the shifts like even faster.
And they're already pretty fast.
Yeah, they're super fast. But it's nice because when you drive it, you don't have to focus on shifting at all. You know, I only use my right foot, and shifting up and down the gears, it literally is just like it's like second nature basically, because they're just at your fingertips.
And what do you think about the seats?
The seats are awesome. I think that's a really underrated mod that kind of people don't think is that important. I think any performance car needs a nice set of bucket seats. You can see how high the side bolsters are, and even the shoulder bolsters are just super, like when you sit all the way back, you're stuck in here. And then whenever you get harnesses, it will be like you can't even move.
Yeah, you're not
but even
moving at
right
all.
now, like I pushed it pretty hard yesterday, like you barely move in your seat, which is awesome. Most BMWs come with leather, which slide around in really easily. So these being cloth, or it's kind of like a mesh material, you don't move at all. So yeah, I think seats are something I want to do super soon, just because it gives you that confidence in the corners, because you're not focusing on moving around. You're just focused on driving. I hope you guys enjoyed my kind of quick review of Spencer's car. It's really well set up, and I think he's going to track this car soon. He needs to do brakes on it, but that's basically the only thing left. If I had the budget for this, I would totally get one of these cars. I do think they're kind of big compared to the E46 generation, but overall it's an amazing car, and there's a really good reason that a lot of people use these as like Nürburgring track tools. They're just so well set up from the factory, and you don't really need to touch the engine at all, which is really cool. You just have to do suspension and some interior mods like the cage and seats, and you're good to go.
Sick. Dope, dude. Dope. Look at that paint. Nice and shiny. Nothing wrong with it. Just super clean paint. My $40 eBay part.
It feels like it's made of paper.
I thought it was a replacement, but it's an inlay. It goes over it, and there's a gap, and I'm like, nah, I'm not doing that. This car gets corrected next week, finally. And I get new headlight lenses. Look at that. That's disgusting. Gonna get full paint correction, get my bumper repainted. Look at all that dirt. Look at all that dirt.
Should I show it them?
Yes. Sounded German. Should I show them?
Should I show them?
Yeah, open that shit up, dude. Don't get mad about my reflector. That one's black, that one's orange. Oh, it's hot.
Okay, so I've already done a video on this, but Spencer has the E92 carbon fiber plenum, and of course the airbox slash intake. This setup is beautiful. It's all for the sound and the aesthetic. It's kind of like it's a big flex. So he still doesn't even open the hood at a car show.
I haven't yet.
He needs to do that.
I need to get new hinges, dude, because these fall when the wind comes, the hood just blows down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I gotta order some.
Yeah, and then there's the coilovers with the adjustment.
As stiff as it can go.
Very cool.
Say that out loud.
2,000 kilometers service and for lit. That's how you say it.
There's
right?
an exclamation point right there too.
BMW
M3. What the fuck? BMW Terminal. The thing is though, why are we screaming it? I don't know why you have to scream that. You can just say it.
I feel like Toto.
You don't have to scream it, Toto. Dude, that's a good series, bro. Look at that carbone. Yeah, I got a lot to do to this thing, man. Yeah, just slant it.
Yeah, if you guys haven't already, definitely like this video if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, you can dislike it.
Yeah, dislike the video. Let's just get 100. Let's do 100 dislikes.
Comment down below, let me know what you think, and of course subscribe, because I'm going to be making tons of content. Spencer's spinning in a circle. I'm going to be making tons of content on this M3, and of course my E46 M3, and different BMWs, maybe even
Sign an FRS review. This is like someone that works upstairs. Should I cut? Okay.